Hi everyone, Vittorio from Eibach here, and this is our weekly recap. I've been with the company for 5 years now, and the majority of my job is content creation. For example, this video that you're watching right now. We took a road trip to Vegas to meet up with Jason Coleman and Marvin Musquin to shoot a commercial for our upcoming Eibach Moto Spring line. We started the day by filming Marvin and his friend Mattia on their motorcycles, and after that, we got a chance to give them a ride on the Eibach trophy truck. If you haven't seen it already, be sure to visit our Instagram or Facebook page to see Marvin's reaction from inside the trophy truck. After that, we filmed a walk-around tour video of Jason Coleman's trophy truck. We'll be releasing this video on a later date, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. For this week's product release, we just released our Stage 1 lift kit for the 2015 and 2020 Chevy Tahoe. This lift kit includes front and rear shocks, front and rear springs, and give the Tahoe a lift of 2.5 inches up front and 1 inch to the rear. These are now in stock and ready to ship. That's it for this week's recap. Be sure to give us a like and subscribe.